is your channel messages for the 9th of May, Leo. Let's see what is in your reading for today, Leo. See what we have for you. Let's go. We have the Tower card. Okay, you may be dealing with Scorpio. Scorpio have the same card, came out in the same position. I'm getting the Tower. You're dealing with a Scorpio, Leo. Or I'm getting one big eruption, okay, in this building. The Magician. Or I'm getting Leo. I'm getting you're causing something to go wrong in this building. Leo, I don't know if you plant explosives or what you do, but I'm getting everybody in this building I freak the fuck out, and you are the one who did it. Now maybe I find out that this building or this organization rob you. I'm getting Leo, you're mad no blood clot. I'm getting you make sure everybody in the building pay. Maybe them take your money or them rob you. I'm getting you say, the whole of no watch me no. I'm getting the whole of the blood clot building. I'm getting demolition. I don't know what you do or who you worship, but I'm getting Leo, you say, watch me, and everybody who's under this building, watch me and them. I don't know what happened, but I'm getting something backfire badly, Leo. The 10 of Pentacles, yeah, I don't know if I money them thief from you, or something about your father. Maybe your father did and left money and them no want to give you money. I'm getting something about your family, your father. Now, I don't know if your father is the one who, I don't know what's happening. I'm getting something about you being outcasted because of this, some type of new addition to your family. Leo, I don't know if you want somebody to reunite, but I'm getting something about your family come from riches. Maybe the I don't know if I'm getting a building withholding you seeing your child, or I don't know if this is like a social worker or this is like child services who take away a child from you and put the child in the arms of another family. I'm getting a bun down the whole blood clot place. It could be an adoption center. You adopt this child and I'm getting the social worker take the child from you, Leo, and give it to somebody else. I'm getting a bun down the house with your child in her. Leo, I'm getting a cycle. I'm getting you probably poor. You never have much. I'm getting a social worker coming in your house, or a stuck up social worker take the kid from you and put the kid in the arms of a rich family. And you're like, okay, I don't know if you want hacker. I'm getting you make sure the family and have nothing, nowhere to live. If you can't have your baby, nobody else can. I'm getting, I don't know what you do to this building, but I'm getting where you done the building, nobody can live in the building. The King of Pentacles, yeah, I'm getting you have money, but you never, I don't know. Maybe you had money, Leo, but you just never spend it on things around you. Or I'm getting a family have how much money and them have you living in this rat infested, nasty, dirty building. I'm getting your family have so much money and they make you live in this nasty, mold, unhygienic conditions. The 8 of Cups. I'm getting it so bad you start to say you live outside. I'm getting you know much money your father have. You know much money your blood clot father have. Your father have more in his brain for him to think that you struggling is okay. I'm getting you have so much money. Your father have so much money, Leo. I'm getting her outside you sleep, or you sleep, you're camping in the woods. I'm getting you lay low for now. But I'm getting when you're done, somebody not have nowhere to go. I'm getting you burn down everything. I don't know where you set fire to, but I'm getting you set fire, or I don't know where you do to this building. Maybe you hack the whole building and shut down everything. But I'm getting something about the transfer of custody of this child. The Tower card is clarified by the Queen. Yeah, I'm getting something about a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius man who come visit your house and claim say, yeah, you're not fit enough to be a parent to take care of this kid. Them take the kid from you. The Magician is clarified by the yeah, them say you're too young, you're too immature. You're never immature for though. They might tell you say you're too young and immature, so you can't care for the child properly. So let us give this rich family the child. Are you a blood clot picnic? They can't take it from you. Are you a child? Are you blood clot struggle with the child? Are you struggle with the mother? You was there for the child. Am I getting this blood clot social worker come in, this man? I come in. Maybe the man wife need a blood clot baby. So him take the baby from you. Me getting you make the whole of them blood clot. Me getting you're going to burn a Gemini, a Libra, Aquarius shit to the ground, Leo. Me getting you have Mars in a Leo. Me getting you so fucking pissed. The Ten of Pentacles, I'm getting right after it's like right after you give up the baby, you get one job. And then I tell you, say you can't get back the baby now that you're stable. And you say, what kind of fucking system this? I'm getting somebody thief your child from you basically and give it to a family who was wealthy but they need a child to buy. I'm getting when you're done with the blood clot family, the family will return the blood clot picnic. Ten of Pentacles, Queen, yeah, the wife. I'm getting the wife can't have kids. Or the wife want a newborn. So I'm getting them look for one man, not a woman. Because the government system will protect the woman. They look for one man with a baby who impoverished, a trying single father, and then take a blood clot baby from you. King of Pentacles is clarified by the Five of Cups, and the Eight of Cups is clarified by the Three of Wands. Because I'm getting ever since your baby left, you don't even want no other woman. Because you have a child out there. I feel like one big CEO will get hit. Me getting something about a child protective services worker who wrongfully take a child away from you because you were a poor single father and you never have much. But me getting him in a cahoots with other people, rich people in the system who want to adopt your baby. Maybe a baby black. Maybe you have one white man with a black baby. The system take the baby from you, forget this big rich family. Or me getting you one single dad, you don't have much. Just like a single mother who don't have much. And the same blood clot government worker who claims to them are protect you, I gotta tell you say you're unfit to be a parent. Give the parent to what this woman and family. Give the parent to this. Give the child over. Make the child stay temporarily. Until you go through your until you go through your anger management sessions. Me getting a beer like the fucking people them tell upon you how you have anger management, how you're alcoholic, how you abuse drugs. Therefore the kid is you're unfit to be a parent. Me getting you burn down every blood clot thing for that man here. I don't know if you're gonna set the man car up on fire. I don't know where you're gonna Leo, but me getting the wrath of the sun. The wrath of the sun. Me getting them fuck you, Leo. And that them do. Take your blood clot. You know from when them I watch you with this baby? What's the baby black? What's the baby black? The soul was soul, the soul was your baby. Because I'm getting ever since then take your kid from you, you know, you don't want to fuck nobody else. You don't even want to talk about baby. You have one, you still try to get back. I'm getting right as the baby get adopted, you get one job. And you say how this so set, how I set up here so as me give up the baby, me I cry every day so I don't want to give up the child. As me give up the child, me get one, the government give you one work. Yeah. Me don't know which building this Leo me getting a bonnet blood clot down. And me getting is led by a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius man. Sagittarius. We have Jupiter. Jupiter rules Sagittarius. You might have Jupiter in Sagittarius or the baby. Aries, the baby have Jupiter in a Sagittarius. One more. Curse, yeah. Talk about say he's an unfit father. Oh no, you can't raise a child properly. You've been raising the child. Me getting a you alone, you're a single father. I don't know what you do with this kid. I don't know the kid look like it's a baby though. Me getting them take the baby from you and get this rich woman and this. Them get a rich woman and this man, your baby. I'm getting you say, alright, you take my baby and think you can take my baby from me. You could have got one shelter and adopt. You could have your husband could have fucked another girl, you could have used surrogacy because you have so much money. I'm getting this family come to you and say, I see you struggling with that baby. Would you mind selling us that child? Me getting Leo, you feel like you never have a choice. Me getting you couldn't even feed the kid. And you say okay. Maybe them never say sell. Maybe them say temporary. Either way, I'm getting Leo, you are the King of Pentacles now. I'm getting you want back a kid. And if the family I tell you say you not get it back, I'm getting the whole family going in one car crash, except the child. I don't know what kind of hacker you are, or what kind of simulation. Leo, I'm getting you put the blood clot family in one simulation for the whole of them dead off except your kid. So you can get back a kid. This is creepy. I'm getting some type of robot Leo where your blood clot bill or have. It can predict. I'm getting you can write something on one simulation and 2 days later it happen. I'm getting your code. Like you do this. Like you gonna make sure so the father did at work, the mother did in one freak accident, and so you're gonna kill off the whole family except the baby. The baby gonna survive. And you're gonna get back a kid. I'm getting you up against rich people. The lawyers not gonna help you. I'm getting you say, alright, nobody not help me, I'm gonna kill off the whole of you. Except my baby. I don't know what this are. I don't know what kind of blood clot Leo you thought that you were dealing with. You saw how John Wick fuck up a whole nation for him dog. Leo, I'm getting you kill off the whole of the family for your blood clot baby back. Or I'm getting a social worker your family. I'll get one gruesome situation. One more. Sleep. Yeah, something might lit the family while them asleep. I get together this. So yeah, I say like next week Tuesday, him I in a one car crash. And I say I getting you just X out all of the family members one by one until the baby leave. I got this and take back your baby. I'm getting nobody can blood clot prove what you do. Leo, I don't know who you worship, Balil. Who the fuck you worship? I'm hearing the shadow man. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.